Hello all, welcome to our YouTube channel WebDev IT Solutions. This is Alam. I welcome you all in this HTML tutorial. Today we are going to see all about HTML. Without any delay, let's drag in HTML and HTML5. We have made this video tutorial that covers all the basic HTML. You can browse us on www.webdevitsolutions.com. First, we are going to see what HTML stand for. So HTML stand for H. H stand for hyper. T. T stand for text. M. M stand for markup. L. L stand for language. Hypertext markup language. What exactly is HTML? It uses markup to describe the structure of web pages. The structure is built up by element and they are represented by tags. Tags such as paragraph, heading, table and so on. Tag are not shown on the page. What does that mean? It means that whatever the code we are going to write, it is not going to shown on the web page. Once you run those codes into the browser, it will show in different ways. But we used to display content in different ways. We use tag to display content in different ways. So let's get into it and try together. Let's begin with the code editor. Here in this tutorial, we are going to use Visual Studio Code Editor. There are lots of code editor available in the market. But in this series, we are going to use Visual Studio Code Editor to write the HTML code. Let's see how to download this code editor in Windows machine or any machines. For this, you have to go into your browser and write download Visual Studio Code. Click on the first link. You will get the version. Download Visual Studio Code, free and built and open source, integrated Git debugging and extension. If you have Windows system, you can click on this link. If you have Ubuntu machines, you just click on this link and download for your machine. Like that, same you can click on this icon and download for your Mac machine. I am going to download for my Windows machine as I am using Windows 11. Once I download, I will get this file. Let's see what is this file. It's downloading now. You see this. This is .exe file. Once you click in this file, you will get this message. Setup has detected that Visual Code is currently running. For me, I already installed Visual Studio Code in my machine. That is why this message is pop up. But for you, if you do not install, just install this. Once download finish, then you open this Visual Studio Code. Once you open the Visual Studio Code, you will get this type of window or welcome window in your laptop. Go to File, open folder, select the folder what you want to open. I am going to open this folder Bits Online Class because I am going to develop all the courses inside this folder. So I am going to, as you know that we are learning HTML. So this is the first class of ours. Now I am going to open the subfolder class 1 and now going to open the file. This is my HTML file, index.html, and this is my HTML document. You can say this is our code, HTML code. So let's start from the beginning onwards. Doctype HTML. This is an HTML document. Now HTML. The HTML tag is the root element of any HTML page. Head. What is the use of head in this code? The head contains meta information about the document. So whatever the meta information we are going to provide, we can provide inside the head section. or head tag. Title is nothing, it is a name of our web page which we are going to see once we will run this into our browser. Then body. The body contains the visible page content. Whatever the page we are going to see into our browser, that part contained by body tag. H1. H1 if in simple word, H1 is a tag through which you can manage your text. Like H1 is H stand for heading, H1 stand for large text. Like that, there are 6 type of header is coming: H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. Now P is defined as a paragraph, body and HTML. As this is the first class, I understand it's hard to difficult to understand what is written inside this HTML file or HTML code. But don't worry, let's go into the explanation of how tags are working. Tag typically comes in pairs. Pair means, like for example, I am going to open a tag. So it comes always pair, an open tag and a close tag. This is our open tag and this is our close tag, which comes with the forward slash. Inside these tags, this is our content. So whatever the content we are going to write, we always we always write into our tag. If for example, if we write our h1 tag, so our content is inside the h1 tag. If we write our p tag, so our content is always inside the p tag. We will see and we will practice, and then we will understand how tags is working, how many types of tags are there in HTML, and how we use those tags, where we use those tags, how to create a website with the help of those tags. So now next question is, what turns HTML code and element a viewable website? Well, that's what web browser comes in. The purpose of the web browser, be it Chrome, be it Edge, be it Opera, be it Mozilla Firefox or Safari, do read HTML document to display them, but the browser do not display the HTML code. This is the, for example, the browser, this the code what we write here, it once we are going to run this code into the browser is not going to show this code to the users, to the end users. Let's see. Once I am going to run this code into the browser, you see I will get, this is my first code and this is paragraph. That's look cool, you know. Here I write a code, but once I run this, I am not getting my code here. So it's a browser take your code and show you the web view pages. This is the basic. Let's delve into this further, but for now take a break. Thank you.